I guess you look crazy for you.
I was thinking. Okay.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
No.
Welcome to Eat Right Atlanta, our farmers market. Let me tell you, the special is called the Pick Six. You get 3 fruit servings and 3 vegetable servings. That fills up most of this bag right here, all for $20.
Y'all can reach out and place an order. I think I'm bringing some next Friday for some orders, so I'll deliver them to this office.
It's pretty good if they sold out this fast. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Lemongrass and garlic, Cajun, and 3 summer flavors, which are pineapple jalapeno, hot lemon pepper, and beef.
Wow, it smells good.
Orange pepper.
Well, I feel that heat. You want to try that? Original pineapple jalapeno. How'd you do that? Did you dry the extract?
Oh, this thing is
Oh, that's so cool. Oh my goodness, it's hot. It's good though. Orange pepper. How you do that? The peels. And then you steeped it in the oil, maybe.
And then with pepper.
Oh, black pepper. Let me try that one.
And then you got the lemon pepper too, same one.
That's so cool. Yes, sir. I love olive oil.
Yeah, and they're all sourced from Italy, the Mediterranean blend. And we process them here in the States, so you get genuine, real olive oil.
Wow, that's good. How much are they?
They're $19.99 each, except the saffron and shallots, because the saffron's a bit more expensive, and that's $25.
Let me taste the saffron. Is there any way you want to taste it? Ooh, that's good. Yummy, yummy. Oh, yeah? Flavor explosion. This is so good. Oh, thank you.
$7.56 with tax.
blue raspberry
So on Sundays we do breakfast tacos. We also do like empanadas, and we're out there frying them to order.
Dang.